Welcome back, everyone, to another explainer. If you're a focused learner totally obsessed with skincare science and finding the absolute best routines, you are definitely in the right place today. We're looking at a product that is making serious waves in the beauty community right now, the Dalba White Truffle First Spray Serum. We're going to break down exactly what makes this formula tick, why it's so incredibly popular, and most importantly, the actual clinical data that backs it up.
But before we dive into all that data, let me ask you this. How do you achieve lasting, glass skin hydration without ruining your makeup? Honestly, it's the ultimate skincare frustration, isn't it? You spend all morning perfectly prepping your skin, applying your makeup, only to feel tight and dry by 2 p.m. But if you try to rehydrate with a heavy cream or some basic water mist, you just end up melting your foundation or looking incredibly greasy. Finding that perfect balance, it's basically the holy grail of daytime skincare.
So here is our roadmap for today. 1. The glass skin secret. 2. Anatomy of a glow. 3. The clinical proof. 4. How to use it. And 5. Your K-beauty destination. Let's jump in.
Okay, Section 1, the glass skin secret. Multitasking moisture for a radiant finish. The term glass skin gets thrown around a ton these days, but what it fundamentally means is skin that's at its absolute healthiest. Luminous, intensely hydrated, smooth, and radiant. And to get there, you need more than just one heavy moisturizer. You need multitasking moisture that layers perfectly.
Enter the Dalba White Truffle First Spray Serum. You can tell immediately this is not your average facial mist. It's really designed as a premium multitasking solution. It's built to deliver instant moisture and a serious dewy boost, literally whenever your skin needs it, basically acting as a bridge between your skincare prep and your daily life.
The crucial elements we're looking at here are instant glow, long-lasting moisture, and, honestly, perhaps most importantly, makeup-friendly hydration. The real magic of this serum is that it's fundamentally lightweight, so instead of sitting heavily on the surface of your skin and dissolving your foundation, it actually reduces the look of cakey or pilling makeup as the day goes on. You're getting hydration without the heaviness, giving you that fresh, glass skin finish in just one step.
Moving on to Part 2, Anatomy of a Glow. Breaking down the unique double-layer formula. Skincare enthusiasts like us, we love to know exactly how our products work on a cellular level, right? We don't just settle for marketing claims. We want the actual mechanics. Now, what's really interesting here is the distinct separation you'll see in the bottle. That is a completely unique double-layer formula. It combines a nutrient-rich, water-based serum layer with a super luxurious essential oil layer. And the star of the show? Italian white truffles. This isn't just a gimmick to sound fancy, it's a highly potent ingredient designed to literally feed your skin. Let's actually break down what's inside this thing. First up is Truffle. This is Dalba's proprietary complex combining that Italian white truffle with vitamin E, and its primary function is powerful antioxidant care and supporting a deeply radiant complexion. Next, niacinamide, an absolute powerhouse for brightening dull skin and evening out tone. Then, to lock it all in, a signature 8 oil blend. That's what gives you the long-lasting moisture without any greasy residue. And finally, a 9 herb complex to soothe sensitive-looking skin and reinforce your crucial moisture barrier. It's just a wonderfully comprehensive approach to overall skin health. All right, Section 3, the clinical proof. Moving from subjective glow to objective data. Let's see how all those ingredients translate to real-world applications. Because look, a mist can feel nice, but we need to know if this highly active skincare is actually moving the needle on our specific concerns.
And this brilliantly illustrates the massive improvements we're seeing in the consumer study results. We aren't just talking about temporary hydration here. We're looking at a 46% improvement in oil reduction, which is incredible for a product with an 8-oil blend. It just proves that properly hydrating your skin can actually balance out sebum production. We also see a 33% improvement in wrinkle reduction, thanks to the plumping effect of the hydration and antioxidants, plus a 28% improvement in flaky skin relief.
But get this, 22%. According to the reported studies, users actually saw a 22% improvement in facial lifting. For a spray serum to contribute to the visual elasticity and lifting of the face, that is remarkable, and it truly speaks to how well the Truffle works and the deep nourishment this formula provides.
Section 4. How to use it. Simple steps for your daily routine. Because, as we know, the best skincare in the world only works if you're actually using it correctly.
The delivery system is absolutely key here. It emits this incredibly fine mist. It's not going to aggressively squirt you in the face and leave massive water droplets running down your makeup. It's designed to disperse that serum and oil blend in a microfine veil. This ensures a perfectly even application that settles gently onto your skin without causing any heaviness or disruption to what's already on your face.
So here are your 3 simple steps. Step 1. Shake it up. You absolutely must mix that serum and oil layer together before every use to get the full benefits. Step 2. Spray evenly over the face from a short distance. And step 3 is where the versatility really shines. You can use this before makeup as a deeply hydrating prep step. You can use it during the day to refresh any areas looking a bit cakey, or you can use it after your makeup is completely done as a radiant setting mist to lock in that glass skin finish. It is truly a multi-tool for your vanity.
Finally, Section 5. Your K-Beauty destination, where to secure the ultimate glow. Knowing about this amazing science-backed solution is great, but you need a trusted, authentic place to actually get your hands on it. And for that, we look to sayhellotoglow.com. Listen, this isn't just another online store. Say Hello to Glow has established itself as the ultimate curated online resource for authentic Korean skincare. In a market where authenticity and quality control are just so important, having a trusted destination to source your K-beauty routine is an absolute must. Just to give you an idea of their retail authority, check out this powerhouse roster of highly sought-after Korean skincare brands they carry. We are talking about Regimen, Medicube, COSRX, Anua, Biodance, Beauty of Joy Asan, Mixun, Numbuzin, Turtur, and of course, Dalba. Plus, they constantly have new Korean brands arriving all the time. Whether you're looking for anti-aging, sensitive skincare, or just the absolute best hydrating formulas, they have curated the top tier of the industry all in one place. And here is a massive, high-value perk for those of you who love to stock up. SayHelloToGlow.com offers completely free shipping for orders over $200. It is the perfect excuse to finally build out that comprehensive K-beauty regimen you've been researching. You can grab your cleansers, toners, and your brand new Dalba First Spray Serum, all while taking advantage of that incredible perk. Which leaves us with one final thought for today's explainer. Are you ready to elevate your routine and finally unlock your ultimate glass skin glow? We've broken down the white truffle science, we've reviewed the clinical proof on oil and wrinkle reduction, and we know exactly where to find it. The data is clear, the mechanism is totally proven, and now the next step is entirely up to you. Thank you so much for joining me to explore the science of skincare today, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.